How to clear all liked videos on YouTube at once. So let's get started. YouTube does not provide a built-in option to remove all liked videos at once, but you can still use this method to unlike it. So, first method is you can simply manually do it one by one. But if you don't want to do it, then tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings. Now there, tap on the Google account option available and navigate to the YouTube Google settings. Now there you can see data and privacy option available at the top tab. Tap on it. Now scroll down unless you see activity option available there. Once you see web and app activity, simply tap on it. Then scroll down and there you can see manage your web and activity option available in the blue highlights. Simply tap on it and navigate to the another screen. Once done so, you can see range option available on your screen. Scroll down and there you can see range option available. Tap on the range and choose the range you want to delete activity from. Select all time. As you can see, I have no activity option available since this is my anonymous YouTube. But if you have liked any, then you can see here and it will be deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.